When I see the Alabama, that's where you stop your train. I remain where my knees
Ain't a funeral. Folks, I want to announce the engagement of my daughter Peggy to Homer Ashcraft. A big oil man.
Yes, sir. I'm losing a great pal.
No, you ain't, Jim. We'll always be pals.
Listen, miss. Me and Homer, we was raised together. Why, we fought side by side for 11 years through grammar school.
And 12 years through high school.
How many years off for good behavior?
They'd have graduated in July if the schoolhouse hadn't burned down.
And how?
Why not have the wedding after he graduates?
You'll be an old maid if you wait that long.
Now,
You and he and you, one and one are always two. Won't you tell us, hon, when you're gonna be one? You're so smart, he's so dumb. It takes two to do this. Someone tell us, hon. Someone tell us, hon, when you're gonna be one. When you're going down to Farmer Brown and bring his children when the knot is tied. Multiply but don't divide. Won't you tell us, hon, when you're gonna be one? She's so sweet and he's so sour.
Let's do something else. What do you think?
Peggy! Hello, darling. Everything is arranged for our elopement. I'll be back at 4 o'clock this afternoon to get you, and we'll get married. Gosh, we'll be happy, won't we?
Yes.
And we'll go to Niagara Falls for our honeymoon.
Oh.
Pardon the intrusion. Now, don't forget, 4 o'clock this afternoon, huh? Goodbye.
Bye.
Gosh, I'm so happy I forgot. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Homer, now listen. Homer, wait a minute. Take it easy, old man.
Homer.
Wait a minute, Homer. Now you'll feel better.
All right, boys, play something.
Walk right in and turn around and walk right out again.
Something for Homer to sing. Sing, Homer. You're all right.
Say, do you know roses bring dreams of you? Roses,
What's wrong?
What's the matter, Homer?
Hey,
Take that drink.
Hey, you feel better, Homer?
Try it again, Homer.
Here, Homer. Hey, Homer, Peggy, Homer.
Homer, what's the matter with... Take it off my body. Oh, I'm trying to. Please.
Meet you outside. Yes.
The body. Peggy, come here.
Gee, you're certainly falling for her.
Oh, well, she's a darn good kid. See?
Say, Homer, you're playing a little rough.
Oh, I'll treat her gently.
Gosh, I'd like to marry her myself.
Oh, you would, eh?
Yeah. Say, did you mean that?
I meant every bit of it. You bet I did.
You're sure?
I know it, I did. There's nobody can give it to me.
according to anybody. I don't care.
We've been pals 20 years, Jim.
Yeah? Well, this is where friendship ceases.
Yes?
Yeah.
You can bet your whiskers it does.
This is going to hurt me more than it is you.
Yeah, but not in the same spot.
Maybe not.
Now, go ahead. Say, hit where you're looking.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did.
Well.
Oh, listen, Homer, just a little bit. Homer, cut it out, will you now? Homer, I told you to cut it out, will you? Say, listen, I don't care. Bet you I'll bet you that you...
Hey, Peggy, come here. Down here. Hey, Peggy, come here. I'll get you. I'll get you.
Don't worry, quick. Here he comes. Quick, jump.
You hear me?
Oh.
Don't worry, dear. I'll get you in the
Look, who they come back on?
Do I marry your daughter, Peggy? No. All right, no marriage, no cover, and you try to make me put it back on. Goodbye.
Come back here, come back down here. I'll have the Lord. Help! Mark! Kidnappers! What's the matter? Get me out of this! What happened? What happened? Come on! I'm trying. The jump down flat. Hey, what happened? What happened? They've eloped. Who? Peggy's eloped. Phone the sheriff. Come on, Homer. Get the deputies, too. All right. I'll call the militia. Hey! Listen, I'm your father, and I forbid the marriage. Come on, Homer. What off? What's the matter? I don't know. Well, jacked up. Well, get her off. Well, get those jacks. Hey, Peggy. Come back. Peggy, come back here. Homer, come on. Hey, you down there killed me. I can't worry about that now.
That's that. Oh, he's too low by now. Hey, I'm insured.
What are you trying to do? Back up. I got over. That's good. I'll take the law. I'll give you that now. Pull over and let our good car go by. Come on. What do you say? Right, whatever line's doing. Hey, I'll get you, fella. Where are you going? Going fast. Ow! Hey, what was that?
Pardon me, where's Justice Brown?
Yes, we want to get married the worst way.
Yes.
He's at the country club.
Thanks very much. Gosh, here they are now. Hurry up, let's get out of here.
We'll get him in. You all that damn it, get your leg out of that. Well, it's far, man. Get it down. Come on, you know what? That's it.
We'll hide in the barn with the cow.
Let's get out of the way. Let's hurry.
The milkman's here. Keep very quiet.
I will. What are you doing?
Quiet. Take all of this.
What for?
Put it down below.
All right. It's working.
That's great.
Come on, Lucy. Loosen up. Do I have to get a stick to you? Come on now.
Say, did they come this way?
Huh?
Did they come this way?
Oh, yes. She weighs about 800 pounds.
No. Did you see a boy and girl together?
Yes, it's beautiful weather.
It ain't no use talking to him, you darn old fool, yeah?
Yes, I am, too.
Must be a couple hunters.
Why, that was a close shave.
Come on, doggone you. Oh, Lucy, forgive me, Lucy.
Shortcut! Hurry!
We'll get him!
Where is Justice Brown?
You'll find him in the locker room.
Thank you. Darling, you wait right here and I'll be right back. Don't worry. Where is Justice Brown?
Why, he's over there.
I want to get married right away. You'll have to wait till I get out of here. There's no time to lose. You can't do that. You can't do that. I'm in a no hurry. You have to get right out.
Listen, you look that way and I'll look this. Oh, hey, did you see a young couple? No, two. A young couple. No, two.
Has anyone seen a golf ball?
No, I'm a stranger here. Oh! What the? Hey, listen! What's the trouble? These are my pants! 60,000 of them!
I won't do this. It's all right.
Please.
But all right, will someone please act as witness?
Yes, please, gentlemen.
Hurry up now.
Get my coat! Get my coat! Oh, I got him. All right, now. I got him. Give me a drink.
Sure, right here.
I can know. Get my pants off. Go back.
This poor felly does all the time.
I got him.
Great.
That's all. You aim to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Yes. Yes. Don't. Stop.
Don't pay me.
I'll pay you against you, Judge. Never mind him. Don't worry about him, Judge.
Who's this fellow? I got them all. Right, open that door.
Pronounce you.
Judge, come back here. Wait a minute.
Where's everybody? Where's everybody?
I never think what you said.
We didn't get him too.
I want to speak to you. I'm through with the engagement and I want my ring.
Is that so?
Yes, you old fuzzy face.
Huh?
I'm going back to Oklahoma.
Go back to high school. And never darken my doors again. If you was your last owner, you wouldn't marry.
Oh, Judge! Come back here! You haven't finished!
Oh, finish it, please.
I pronounce you man and wife! Darling!
Oh, I'm done.
Where? What's the matter? What's the matter?